Hey, what's up everybody? It's Craig from Flying Wheels. Today I have a Toyota Highlander that had a massive dent in the plastic right here. So I'm going to show you how to push that plastic out for free. Alright, get that dent out of there. You can do it all on your own at home. Here's what we need. So first things first, I'm going to be using a heat gun. I can get this at any auto parts store or tool store. You can also use a hairdryer. It's going to take a lot longer because the hairdryer doesn't throw as much heat as the heat gun will. Torches, do not use torches. Way too hot. It'll bubble right through your paint. And also, one other thing. Once you heat up your plastic, don't push it through with a screwdriver or anything pointy, okay? You're going to go right through your plastic. One last thing. If this video is helpful, do me a favor and thumbs up down below so other people get to see the same video. And don't forget to subscribe on the other side of this video. That way you get to see more helpful tricks of the trade in the car business. Thanks a lot. So you'll be able to see the damage has already been done to the paint where the impact was on the outside corners of the dent. So there's nothing you're going to be able to do to bring that out just from doing this procedure right here. But we are going to be able to pop this impact back out so it's a somewhat level surface. The other thing too you'll notice, if I hold the heat gun up to one spot for too long, that plastic is going to start to get too hot. And the paint will either bubble or the plastic will melt. So you don't want to do that either. So make sure you're holding the heat gun 6 to 8 inches away from the whole area. Keep everything consistently warm together, the middle and the outsides. What's actually going to happen is it's going to bend from the outside in. So we're going to be able to start pushing and melting the outsides, and as I push from the center from behind, it's going to push the whole thing out again. Alright, so you can see how soft this plastic is now. So we're going to try to push it from behind. And it's so soft that I can actually push it and kind of mold it to how I want it to look. And everything's coming back into place for the most part. Alright, so here we are, finished product. You can still see the damage has been done, so this is about as best as we can get it. We popped it out all down here along the crease and up top. Pushed it out with when it was soft. You can still see it's wavy. You're not going to get that to be perfect without replacing the bumper cover. And then we also reattached it up here. This was the previous damage, but we did attach it here and here. And then I just used a touched up color to, after scuffing it down, to get it back to its right color. Hey, so hopefully this video right here was helpful. If it was, do me a favor and give a thumbs up down below so other people get to see this video. Also, subscribe so you get more fun car tricks and tips and all kinds of other fun car stuff. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Click thumbs up and subscribe. See ya.